The World Health Organization on Wednesday warned that 4 contaminated and substandard cough syrups, allegedly produced by Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited based in Haryana's Sonipat, could be the reason for the deaths of at least 66 children in the Gambia. This has brought at least 4 cough syrups under probe, and the WHO has issued an alert over the 4 cough and cold syrups in question. The UN Health Agency also cautioned that the contaminated medications may have been distributed outside of the West African country, with global exposure possible. The global health body tweeted on Wednesday, quoting WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus regarding the same. The tweet read, WHO has today issued a medical product alert for 4 contaminated medicines identified in Gambia that have been potentially linked with acute kidney failures and 66 deaths among children. The loss of these young lives is beyond heartbreaking for their families. The United Nations Health Agency, however, has not yet shared the details of labels and products with the Central Drug Standard Control Organization (CDSCO), which would enable it to confirm the identity and source of manufacturing of the products, official sources said. Based on the available information, the CDSCO has already taken up an urgent investigation into the matter with the regulatory authorities in Haryana, they said. While all the required steps will be taken as a robust regulatory authority, WHO has been requested to share with CDSCO at the earliest the report on the establishment of a causal relation to the deaths with the medical products in question, photographs of labels, products, etc., an official source said. According to the sources, that WHO on September 29th informed the Drug Controller General of India that it was providing technical assistance and advice to the Gambia. It highlighted that a significant contributing factor to the deaths was suspected to be the use of medicines that may have been contaminated with diethylene glycol or ethylene glycol, and said that its presence has been confirmed in some of the samples it tested. The Gambian Health Ministry's advice on syrup paracetamol was issued on September 9th, a month after the investigators reported the death of at least 28 children aged 5 months to 4 years from acute renal failure. The investigation has been opened on July 19th. No details were given as to when the children died.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.